everybody, it's Jamie with Just Go Camping. We're out at the campsite today. Today is New Year's Eve. We're going to make some dinner and have a couple of beers. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. 2025 is going to be spectacular. Great time to watch camping videos, of course. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and let's get started. All right, so I got the tarp up, I got some wood cut, I got the fire going, got this little gadget. I think my brother-in-law gave it to me. This thing is really cool. It looks like a lighter, but all it does is it gives you a spark to the little knobs right there, little, what do you call them? Yeah, and you just hit the button and it gives you just a current so that you can get stuff started on fire. So you can light a cotton ball, or you can light a tinder bundle. It's just got the sparks there, and there's no gas or anything. It's actually, you recharge it. It's USB chargeable. Really cool little piece of equipment. My son gave me this for Christmas. This is going to be my new light source here. This thing is pretty cool. It's a stand. It's got the tripod on there, and you turn this little thing on the bottom and you can pack it in, and then it telescopes down to that. And then all you have to do is telescope it, turn the little knob, and the feet come out, and then you just lock it so they can't come back out. And then you have, bam, light. Let there be light. And I just tucked that in right behind my tripod there, and I've got plenty of light. So, and it is starting to lightly rain. Are you kidding me? Nobody said anything about rain. We're gonna start cooking some dinner. I've got my 10 quart Lodge cast iron. I've got a big mason jar of chicken stock. And all I did was, just when we get a rotisserie chicken from the supermarket, when we take all the meat off the bone, I just throw it in the pot, fill it with water, and boil the heck out of it. And then the next day I just skim the fat off, and you have chicken stock. So I'm gonna put a chunk of butter in the pan. Okay, then I'm gonna put some flour in there. And in goes the stock. Stir that up real good. Okay. Frozen mixed vegetables I'm gonna put in there. To add our potatoes. While the stew is cooking, I've got some cheese and some mixed nuts and some dates. I'm gonna have a beer. I think this one is, yeah, okay. This one is different. It's called Rust. It's a Vienna style lager. I don't know if you can see that. And again, this is from I bought this at my friends at Liquid Smoke. Those guys are pretty good at picking beers, so. Not much information to read to you, but it is a Vienna style lager. Yeah, it's nice. Come here. That's pretty good. It tastes like your more traditional beers like Budweiser or Coors. It's got that really traditional flavor. And ordinarily I wouldn't like those, but but that goes down really easy. Very smooth. It reminds me of a beer that we would be drinking at the lake or something like that when we were younger. It's a good beach beer. Probably going to be a good beach beer. It's nice and crisp. Only 5.2% alcohol. Okay, beer number 2. Coming at you. This is going to be more of a heavyweight. This is called Arctic Panzer Wolf. See how it's got the wolf face and the teeth? That's fearsome looking. And it is a Imperial India Pale Ale, 9% alcohol. Yeesh. That looks intimidating, but we're going to try it out anyway. This could be a disaster. I don't know. It's not bad. I've had worse. It's definitely an IPA. It's my last date. Speaking of last dates, the last date that I had was with my wife. Anyway, Arctic Panzer Wolf. Not bad. It's good beer on a cold night. Bella! Come on, babe. I still have to make the dumplings for the stew. Dumplings that are just light and fluffy. They just sit on top of the stew and they just float there. They're just like airy, just angel dumplings. Yes, just like a Bella dumpling. Just like a Bella dumpling. All right. Next beer, please. The third and final beer. Okay, this one is Common John Brewing Company. Straight and narrow golden ale. It's not going to be that heavy. It's all right. Nothing. Doesn't blow my hair back. It's pretty uneventful actually. It's the last two that I've had that I bought from the liquor store weren't that good. The Crazy Wolf beer and this one, it's not bad. All right. Guy kind of looks like me though, doesn't he? A little bit, maybe, without the glasses. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. If I hadn't mentioned it before, this chicken stew is the quote-unquote reason my wife married me, for my chicken stew. It's my mother's recipe. If you love your mom and you learn how to cook like your mom, there are very few people who know how to do that anymore. Okay. Bisquick milk, and we just want to mix this in here so that it is so it's very thick, and that is just about perfect. Yeah, like that. You see? That's the way you want it. Now what you're going to do with this is you're just going to lay it on top of the liquid, of the stew, okay? Okay, guys, I think we are ready. I got some for Bella. There we go. Chicken stew. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. That's delicious. That's excellent. It's going to stick to your ribs. Good stuff. I kid you not. My wife said she married me because of this stew. Well, guys, that's all I got for you tonight. Thanks again for watching. Please have a happy, safe new year. 2025. It's go time. It's going to be a great year. Believe it. And we're going to be back here again next Christmas and New Year's talking about how great it was. So, have a good night. Be safe. I love you all. And be well. Thank you again. Bye.